All right, guys, we got us a 1997 Chevy 2500 HD Beast right there. You guys can see what we got done on it. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it's true dual from the factory with 3-inch. So we put a MAGNAFLOW 3-inch in, one outlet 3-inch tailpipe, custom bent. It didn't have a tailpipe or nothing on it. Part number 12198 right there out the side. And we want to thank him for his service. He's a firefighter. We really appreciate everything he does for the community. Like always, there'll be a link in the description for that muffler. There it is. That's what it looks like out the side. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Like the floor. Just want a little bit of a tone. You guys can see. Not too bad. There's sound decibels. Right at 94. Go ahead and back it up. Bad. Got a nice deep tone to it. What you guys hear on the inside?